Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Pocket Profits. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Pocket Profits works, and I will be showing you inside of the members area so you'll get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content so you'll know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has a wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques on how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So anyway, let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Pocket Profits methods are. So basically, to put it briefly, Pocket Profits is a results-backed method that Philip, who is one of the creators of this program, has been using for months. Now, this is proven that it works, and he is leveraging a secret algorithm in Instagram to obtain tons of followers, leads, and sales on a daily basis. Now, the best part is this takes just minutes to implement. Now, this method is using Instagram to get traffic by getting followers so you can promote your ClickBank offers and earn affiliate sales. Now, you can use high ticket commissions from ClickBank and start creating reels in Instagram. Now, with Instagram, when you use reels, just like TikTok, if you guys are aware of that, or I'm pretty sure everyone is on TikTok, so you know but what I mean by the short stories where you can just hit play on each videos and then you can just watch it for 10 seconds, then you move on to the next video. So basically Instagram is trying to compete with TikTok, so that's why Instagram is trying to do the same thing as what TikTok does when they create those short stories for 10 seconds, and so that's what they call reels in Instagram. Now this is basically popular for everyone who has social media. Pretty much a lot of people are enjoying watching short skits, and you can pretty much get more traffic and followers this way faster. And making reels is really easy. It's just like TikTok. You create short videos and you post it on Instagram, and you really don't have to spend more time creating like time consuming creating your own promotions, just like, you know, for example, writing a blog, that it could take, you know, a couple days, or creating a website could take a couple of days or months or so, depending on what schedule you have. So, you know, pretty much that takes forever. And with creating short stories like reels in Instagram, it's quick, it's fast, and it's easy to start making money from this method. Now I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now with this program, you will use Instagram to your advantage by offering high ticket commissions using ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace where you can apply for affiliate links and promote other people's product. Now with this method, you can actually retrieve links from ClickBank and apply it to Instagram so you can start creating reels by promoting your affiliate offers. Now this is also beginner and user friendly, and this is very easy to use, and most importantly, fun to create reels for your promotional affiliate links. Now this is not boring, but the best part about this is you're gonna have fun. You know, I have fun creating reels, and to those of you who have Instagram accounts, and so you know what I mean by the reels. And it's also quick to set up, which is what I like about this program. Is I want something quick, get my promotion offers out there, and then, you know, just start making sales from there. And anything fast, quick, and easy is to create affiliate methods is what I really like. I mean, who does not like that? You know, you set up your Instagram account, make reels, put your affiliate links from there and then just show it to your followers, and then you get more traffic. Because once you start doing the hashtag, you know how when you add a hashtag to your Instagram account, and then a lot of people will start liking your content. So this is the method of how you can implement your affiliate links this way. And so it's really quick and easy, and a lot of people are in social media, so that's to your advantage. And now I'm going to show you the demo of Pocket Profits. Now onto the members area. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Pocket Profits. So over here is the main dashboard of the program. So over here is the welcome video. And this is Philip, by the way. He is one of the creators of this program, along with Dan Can as well. They both are partners when it comes to creating products, and so they have amazing products that they created in the past, and so this is one of them. This is one of the things that I like, is because of Instagram Reels, and you know how easy it is to create Instagram content and then just do the hashtags, and then boom, that's when you get followers that quick. Now over here is where you can subscribe to his YouTube channel. He offers a lot of value to online marketing and how to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel, and you can actually follow him on Instagram so you can have an idea on what he posts on his account. And right over here is the 43K in 7 days. Now he's going to explain to you how this all work. Pretty much he is actually a high paid affiliate marketer, and so make sure to watch and learn about his $43,000 in 7 days with the free training for Pocket Profits. So here is where you can sign up the free training, and here is a welcome video for Dan. So this is Dan. He is one of the creators of this program, and over here is where you can click to get the free value of Pocket Profits. Now over here is very important. This is a video of about get this one thing right and you will never fail. Now on to the next module, which is the main training. This is the overview and proof of this method here. It's a video training. Just hit play and it's going to explain to you how or what the overview and proof is all about. This is a video of how to create an Instagram account here. And over here is a logo for your account. So it's going to teach you how to create a logo for your account, because that's really important for your branding. And over here is to copy other people. So, you know, with this method, all you can do is just copy other people, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about creating your own content. All you gotta do is just copy and paste, and that's pretty much it. So he's making it simplified for you to start applying these methods. So over here is, it says when you have done this task, you can use your phone for an entire month and still make money without going onto a desktop. So to all of you who are travelers, this is a good way for you to start monetizing for online marketing if you are a phone user all the time. And over here is where you can click if you want me to do the work for you. So if you don't have time to do all of this, then you can actually click on this for the done for you service. Here is the hashtags. So as you can see here, this is a training of how to do a 10 hashtags under 10,000 followers, 10 hashtags over 50 to 100,000 followers, 10 hashtags over 100,000 followers. They need to be related to your topic. That's very important. You can't just post a different topic into your Instagram account, because it has to be related to your own niche. So if you talk about money making, so your Instagram has to be all about money making, because that's the only way for this to work. Here are the free apps. expert hashtags for iOS for the iPhone users, and over here is the hashtag manager for Android. So if you could click over here if you want the done for you hashtags. Next would be the postings. So this is a video of how you can do postings here. So this is get the free video in my bio now at for all of you who wants to get the free video of here, and then hit the like and let me know if you agree with this in the comments below. So this is you pretty much have to copy this. It's a script for you to follow. You copy that and put it into your description. This one to hit the like, this is more of like a call to action basically. So you highlight and then you paste it onto your Instagram description, and let me know if you agree with this in the comments below, just to get engagements to your description, or to get engagement to your Instagram. And over here is, and if you want to know how to go from 0 to 9,000 in, well, 9,318 in 30 days flat, and then on to 211,000 in a matter of few months, then grab the free training in the link in my bio, and then add your name for someone to that you're gonna add this to, whoever you wanna put the name on. So here is, click here to get the 10K a month automated sequence. Here are the available upgrades here. 20 by your traffic in 10 times less time. Here is the done for you package. So just so you know, these are the available upgrades for the Get Pocket Profits. Over here is also the 100% automated series. Here is the reseller rights, and here is the 10K buyers in one day. Now over here is the automate your entire Instagram account, and then here is the 152K views to your affiliate offer. So yes, and this is pretty much it of what the Pocket Profits methods are, and also the members area. So there is a lot of content and information that they are sharing for Instagram methods, so that you can easily apply what you learn from this training. Very easy, and all the video trainings are, you can basically watch it and again as many times as you want, because I'm the type of person who would want to watch the videos again for me to understand it more better. And so this is the Get Pocket Profits program, and I hope you like the demo. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Pocket Profits, this is going to go live on August 12th. And that's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then if you click the link using my link down below in the description of this video, you will get a 30% off discount for this offer. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick it up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here is to claim these bonuses. They are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here, and just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, and then please feel free to send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, and even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be one-time price of $12.95. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase to those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So right over here is you can actually find all this information onto my link down below in the description of my video. So when you click on that link, if you can scroll down at this part here, and this is where you can go ahead and check out the available upgrades for Pocket Profits. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12.95 during the launch period of Pocket Profits. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 15th. So you make sure to look out for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $12.95 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my profit reviews review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Pocket Profits at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.